Letscape revolves around let applications. The left-hand side of a let is a pattern, and the right-hand side is an argument. If they don't match, the result is null. If they do match, the result is the body. A bind matches anything, and is available as a variable in the body. To get right associative application, you can use in. A function application evaluates to a let application. To recover from null, you can use match. If the left-hand side is null, the right-hand side is returned. Let's write a map not program. We'll start with the definition of not. We want not to convert the symbol true to false and false to true, so we'll use a match of functions. The first will be true to false, and the second one will be false to true. A match can be applied just like a function. Now we'll do our definition of map. Map should take a function f and then match on our list variants. The first one will just be the symbol nil. Our second one should be the cons case. We'll tag our cons case with the symbol cons. Then we need to contain two elements, so we'll add another cons. The first element will be the element x, and the second one will be another list, x's. Now we want to apply our function to x and the rest of the list. So let's return cons, where we've applied f to x and map f to x's. Now let's apply our functions. We want to apply map of not to a list. Let's try nil first. We just get nil back. Now let's do the cons case. Our first element will be true, and then let's just do nil again. Now we get false. It's easy to copy this list into nil to get a longer list. Now we can change this to false. Hopefully we get false true.